Are you still spending a lot of time formatting presentations and staring at blank documents? What if I told you there's an innovative productivity tool that can streamline a heavy workload in a fraction of the time? This is Oreate AI, an all in one productivity platform designed for professionals, students, researchers, and creators. What makes it powerful is that it combines multiple AI tools into a single workspace. So instead of jumping between different apps, everything you need is right inside a single dashboard. One of the standout features here is the presentation generator. With this tool, you can either type in a prompt or upload an existing file, and the AI will pull out the key information and quickly create a structured slide deck for you. That means no more spending excessive time manually formatting slides, adjusting layouts, or trying to visually organize your ideas. The platform takes the core information and automatically turns it into well-formatted presentation slides with just one click. For anyone who regularly creates presentations for work, research, or school, this can save a significant amount of time and effort. Now, let me show you how fast this works. I'm opening the AI Presentation Maker, and in the prompt box, I'm going to type in a very simple instruction. Create a comprehensive 8-slide presentation on the future of renewable energy, highlighting solar and wind power trends, economic benefits, and key challenges for 2030. Now I'll just click Generate. The platform is automatically researching the topic. It's organizing the information and formatting the slides in real time. Instead of starting from scratch, it quickly builds the entire presentation framework. You can see the AI has already created a clear title slide, structured bullet points, and a visual layout that makes the information easy to present. All of that came from a single sentence. Another useful tool inside Oreate AI is the image generation feature. This lets you create custom visuals using simple text prompts. I'll type a prompt describing the image I want, and here's what I'll say. A futuristic, eco-friendly city powered by wind turbines and solar panels, glowing at sunset, high resolution, photorealistic. And then I just send it. And within seconds, the AI creates a high resolution image based entirely on the description. You can see the detail and the lighting, the solar panels, and the wind turbines. This makes it incredibly easy to generate visuals for presentations, content creation, or marketing without needing stock photos or design software. Another really useful tool inside Oreate AI is the AI Tutor, which can help students break down complex topics into easy to understand study materials to support their learning. I'm going to generate a set of flashcards to help explain a complicated economics topic. I'll type the prompt now. So I've written, create a set of study flashcards explaining the macroeconomic impacts of inflation on consumer spending. Include clear definitions, key economic concepts, real-world examples, and short explanations suitable for students studying economics. And then I'll just click Generate. And within moments, the AI creates a structured set of flashcards designed for learning and revision. Each card breaks a topic into smaller pieces. For example, one card might explain what inflation is. Another might explain how rising prices affect consumer purchasing power. It also includes real-world examples, which makes the concepts much easier to grasp for students studying economics or finance. This format is perfect for quick revision because instead of reading long articles, you can review key concepts one card at a time. All right, so if you're using AI tools, you've probably noticed that the writing can sometimes sound a bit repetitive. With Oreate AI's refining tool, you can paste your drafted text straight into the workspace. You just click one button, and it instantly rewrites it to sound more natural and conversational. It smooths out the tone, improves the flow, and gives it a more professional feel, which is perfect if you're writing content, scripts, or professional reports. And the best part is that it's all done online in seconds. No downloads, no complicated setup. Now, This next feature is actually really helpful. With Oreate AI Podcast Generator, you can take things like articles, reports, or research summaries and turn them into fully spoken audio in just a few clicks. So instead of sitting there reading through long documents, you can convert them into an audio experience and listen on the go. It uses AI voices that sound natural and engaging, so it feels very accessible. It actually feels like you're listening to a real podcast. This is perfect if you want to learn efficiently or consume content while you're busy doing other things. So, as you can see, it's turned it into a podcast for me, and it breaks it down into sections, which is very helpful. So, if I press play, this is what it sounds like.
It's a bit of a tough one, right?
Yeah. Thanks for having me. I'm Lucas, and yeah, it's definitely a conversation worth having. It's something I've seen. Do you see how effective that is? It facilitates conversations between two different voices. It's a very unique way to learn. Stop spending unnecessary time on layout and formatting. Click the link in my description to try Oreate AI for yourself, and use the code below to optimize your workflow today.